What's up, guys? So I'm gonna be unveiling the new project for the channel today, so hope you guys like it. I'm excited for this one, so let's see it. You guys ready? And it's a truck. Nah, I'm just joking. Yeah. Alright, let's get this thing off.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by.
Here she is, guys. We got a sunny morning today. So here she is, and that's where it happened. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a walk around and show you guys what's gotta be done, what's gotta be fixed, yeah. So I picked this up from CoPart.com. And it's gonna be my first project from them, so we'll see how it goes. Maybe I like it, maybe I don't, maybe I'll never do this again. We'll see. It just needs some work, you know. Yeah, this latch doesn't even close anymore. So here's a little interior view. It's got 77,000 miles on it, and it's currently lit up like a Christmas tree. Oh, fucking warnings: do not drive. Well, not really, but try to fix a little bit of that. So yeah. All right, guys. So I'll tell you guys how much it cost. Put your guesses down in the comments, you know. Say how much you would pay for this, and if overpaid, you know, I definitely overpaid. So let me know what you guys think. So here's a little rundown on how much it cost. Let's see. Okay, so whoever's new to CoPart needs to know a few things before they start bidding. Because everybody's always saying, yeah, anybody can bid, this and that. Okay, it's true, but there's a lot of things you guys probably don't know. Alright, so here are the things I'm going to tell you guys I did not know. Before you even start bidding, you need to put a deposit on your account. And that deposit depends on how much you're about to spend. So if you're about to spend, you're bidding on a car that's worth around 10 grand, you definitely need $1,000 to bid. So you need to deposit $1,000 at minimum. Next thing I didn't know, so I had planned on spending up to $6,000 on a salvage title car, and this one seemed to be pretty perfect. It's only got some rear end damage. So I started bidding on this car, and I started bidding, I got it up to $4,000, which sounded awesome at the time. So, and then we went into the real bidding time. Started going up, and I got up to 4,800 as a bid. Topped it off of that, which it was alright. The estimated shipping value was 1,500, and that's what it totaled out to be. So as soon as I won the auction, I got a invoice with the total amount. Now here's the kicker: I did not know about any of these fees, and they suck. Alright, they fucking suck. So first fee that I got was a buyer fee. Okay, you know how much this buyer fee cost me? $600. Wow. And then there's a virtual bid fee, $100. Well, 99, but it's fucking $100. A gate fee, $60, and then a sales tax. I could understand the sales tax, but a bidder fee of $600? Damn. And at this point, when I got that invoice of this total amount, I kind of wanted to quit it, and but they had my credit card on file and all of this crap, so I thought they probably bill me a fee, probably take it out of my deposit I had, and probably charge me like $1,500 and just in fees. Okay, so I decided to go with it, and the total amount for this card totaled out to $7,602. I'm kind of chattering, it's kind of cold, but yeah, so those are the type of things you guys need to know before you start bidding. So if you do, good for you, you know, pick up a little project, that's cool. So I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna leave you guys till the next video I put up. Subscribe, like, thumbs down, don't do it, but yeah, I'll see you guys later.